Today, I invite you to explore a topic that goes to the very heart of what it means to live a fulfilling and meaningful life: positive psychology and happiness. In a world that often emphasizes what's wrong or lacking, it's essential to focus on what's right and how we can cultivate happiness. Positive psychology is not just a field of study. It's a way of approaching life. It's about shifting our perspective from what's broken to what's thriving, from what's negative to what's positive. It's the art and science of nurturing our well-being and happiness. So, let me ask you this: what does happiness mean to you? Is it the pursuit of material wealth, or is it something deeper, something that fills your soul with contentment and joy? Happiness, according to positive psychology, is a state of well-being that encompasses not only pleasure but also meaning and engagement in life. Positive psychology tells us that happiness is not solely determined by external circumstances or material possessions. Instead, it's influenced by our thoughts, behaviors, and attitudes. It's something we can actively cultivate. One of the keys to happiness is gratitude. When we take a moment each day to acknowledge the things we're grateful for, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have. Gratitude is a powerful force that can transform our outlook on life and enhance our overall sense of well-being. Another essential aspect of positive psychology is the pursuit of our strengths and passions. When we engage in activities that align with our strengths and values, we experience a state of flow, a state of deep absorption and happiness. It's in these moments that we lose track of time and fully immerse ourselves in the joy of the present. But happiness isn't just about the self. It's also about our connections with others. Positive relationships are a fundamental source of happiness. When we invest in meaningful connections, we create a support system that sustains us through life's ups and downs. Now, I understand that life can be challenging, and it's not always easy to maintain a positive outlook. But even in the face of adversity, positive psychology teaches us the importance of resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks. It's about viewing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. In closing, let us remember that happiness is not a destination. It's a journey. It's not a state of perpetual bliss but a sense of contentment and well-being that we can cultivate each day. Positive psychology reminds us that happiness is within our reach, and it starts with our thoughts, actions, and relationships. As you go about your day, I encourage you to embrace the principles of positive psychology. Cultivate gratitude, pursue your strengths and passions, nurture your relationships, and build resilience. In doing so, you will not only enhance your own well-being but also contribute to a more positive and joyful world.